Hello friends, in this video I am going to show you how we are getting thousands of views and starting earning from our dead videos. I will tell you what is the dead videos. Everybody creating from the beginning. So you can see my creating first video here, this one, Aborigine stays in the park in Melbourne. This is my first video. Then I have there's automatic water tap, there is a bus stop like that, small video, different kind of video. You can see there is my bus already 1k views. So you can find here so many things, so many different videos. So when we are monetized after 4,000 hours, then viewers are watching our new videos only. Sometimes this video not getting search also because there is no exactly SEO mean their title, description and tags, there is no properly, because you can see my thumbnail also very ugly. So stay with me, I will tell you the tips. There is some tips you can make thousands of views per day. Also you can start money also. So like this better, because if you have different videos or any one category videos, no problem, any videos, first you have to do search some videos, then change your thumbnail, then change your titles to searchable title. You can put here searchable title, you can find the keyword. I have also some videos for the many keyword searching tools. So put new thumbnails, put new titles, put new tags, then go to this. You can see here three dot here, this three dot, just click this three dot, you can click this share button, then you can click this copy link. Okay, now your link is copy. So now you have community tab. After you get 1000 subscriber, you have community tab. This community tab for your channel, you can grow your channel with this community tab. That's why they are giving to you, because of 1000 subscriber you can use this community tab for your grow your channel. Also someone channel also you can put our links, their links. So this is for only for you, but we can help someone, but you can use anytime, you can use anything on from your channel, there is no problem. So go to the community tab, then you can, I will show you now. Okay, you can see here post now. Okay, then click this center button, this plus button. Now you can create a post like this. Click create post, then you can see here, if you click this three line, you can make a pool. So if you don't know how to make a pool, I will show you. Click this, then add something to your pool. Add something means you can tell them this was this video, this is a very useful video, or something was my old video or something like put. Then I click like this, watch this video, watch this is for sample. Then you can put here, then your link is copy, then you can add some suggestions like that, put number A or 1 or anything. Okay, next, going to next, then put number 2, no, like that you can, I like that, something you can add 5 suggestion like that. Okay, 5 answers for that videos. So then you can post that video. Otherwise you can do, go back, discussed, you can do this, create post and photos. Okay, you can add the thumbnail of your video like that. It's going to add thumbnail. Now I'm not adding this one, so you can add thumbnail and you can click the drop your link. So they will watch it. You can daily maybe 5 videos, 6 videos, 10 videos. If you like to add more post, you can create more posts, you can get many views from that. Old videos, use old videos if you don't have time to create a video. So maybe 5 videos per day, 3 videos per day, you can get many views, at least 100 views. If you have many subscribers, you can have at least 100 views, 300 views, 500 views. It's better for you and you will earn some money also. So this is my tips. This is really working. This is not a legal tip, this is the legal tips because of your community tab. Thank you so much for watching this. I think you understand everything. So if you feel better my video is useful, please make a like for this video. If you're new to my channel, try to subscribe my channel. Oh, no problem if not have a subscriber, but you can watch still my channel. There is some many videos for your tips and tricks. There is a keyword videos, how to find the keyword, like that, everything. There is a thumbnail creating videos, any videos. I have many videos, so you can find some videos there. Thank you so much for watching this. See you again.